What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be explaining how to fix your crappy posture. Now, a lot of people in our generation, or my generation, have really bad posture just from sitting on their phone all the time, right? When you're looking at your phone, you're most likely looking down, probably hunching your shoulders back, and you look something like this, right? Not good. So the last thing you want to do is to have that rounded shoulders, right? Those shoulder blades rounded and our neck facing forward like this. We got to get those shoulder blades back and that chin tucked. In order to do this, there are a few workouts you can be doing in order to help it. However, you really got to stay conscious of it all the time and just try to keep that chest up, pinch that back. Think about holding like a pencil in between your back and have that head up all the time. Don't be looking down while you're walking, or really ever be looking down. Think about it this way: your head's like a bowling ball on your head and your neck is small for it to be holding it up. So you're always facing down like this, not good for your neck, not good for your spine, and your entire body will be affected by your spine. So you have to make sure, especially if you're younger, correct this now so that you don't have to deal with it later in life. So yes, again, there are things that we can do in order to help it with workouts. A lot of calisthenics workouts are protraction. You're protracting when you're doing planches and some other workouts as well. So we want to make sure we do the opposite. We're always retracting. Another good way somebody explained it to me was you kind of want to think about being an ornament. If you had a string that was going from the top of your head straight through your body all the way to your feet, and you were hanging by an ornament, you would look something like this, right? You'd be completely straight. So if that helps you while walking, or just remind yourself throughout the day, think about that ornament, think about having a string attached to your head and you're hanging by it. If that helps keep you straight, that's great as well. But as far as the workout side goes, there are things we can do in order to help it, but it's not gonna make it perfect by itself. You have to constantly remind yourself throughout the day to stay straight, especially when you're sitting, if you have that 9 to 5 sitting in front of a computer job. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the workouts that work best for getting that shoulder blade back and keeping that chest tall. Now, before I even show you the workouts, really, the science behind it is you got to keep your rear delt engaged, right? If we can engage that rear delt and strengthen that rear delt, our shoulder blades are going to want to sit back, and we're going to be able to keep our chest up that much easier. So in order to do this, the following workouts will help really engage that rear delt and then overall top of your back, giving you that pinch and that nice straight posture. All right, so this first one is a personal favorite of mine. I'm going to use the rings. If you don't have rings, that's totally fine. You can do it with resistance bands as well. I'll show you that too. But we're going to start with the rings. We're going to be making the letters Y, T, I, and W with our arms. Right, so let me explain. First things first, nice grip on the rings. We're going to pinch that back just like we're holding that pencil in our back. That's going to be the common theme today. Pinch that back. Keeping our arms straight, we're going to make the letters, right? Always want to have the back of your hand behind you as well. Y, nice, slow, and controlled down, right? You don't want to just let the momentum take you down. Control it. The negative is just as important as the positive. T, nice, slow, and controlled. I, right above our head, control. W is the only time we bend, right? So we're going to do that 4 times. Y, T, I, W. Really think about pulling that chest up and through, leading with your chest. And if you only have one band, that's totally fine as well. You're just going to do I's and W's. Really, the main idea is getting the back of your hands behind your head and leading with that chest. That's going to get those shoulder blades back. Now, if you have no accessories at all, no rings, no bands, or nothing, I highly suggest doing the floor work. So I have another video of a back workout without any equipment. Definitely check that out. I'm literally going to take the video from that workout and put it onto this one right now. You're going to want to do Superman pull-ups, Superman circles, and Superman pulses. Those are all amazing workouts for not only getting your shoulder blades back and helping your posture, but also for your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. So a lot of your body's engaged with those. However, they're very, very difficult, and I think it's an amazing workout. You should definitely check out that video and try to do that workout. That will help your posture as well. Now, if you do all of these workouts and you start incorporating them into your regular routine, I promise you'll see an improvement in getting your shoulder blades back, and you'll have some more mobility with your shoulders. You'll be able to open up your shoulders more and get your hands more behind your head. This will also help inadvertently with some calisthenics movements like the handstand. Stay really conscious of your posture and incorporate these workouts, and I promise it will get better. If you got something away from this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. There's every single workout I know in there, me explaining the right way to perform it under 1 to 2 minutes. And stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.